we decided to go across the river over the Rainbow Bridge to the US to check it out.
Ahead of us, what you can see, guys, it's not fog, it's actually mist coming from the falls.
Turn left onto the ramp to USA, then merge onto Falls Avenue.
We're on the bridge to the USA. On the bridge to the USA. I'm singing a song.
Welcome to the United States of America.
So we're in Buffalo and we're just cruising around, having a look around, and we stumbled upon this cool little park area, and it's got a indoor merry-go-round or carousel or whatever you want to call it. It's a Buffalo Heritage Carousel, it says there.
Don't worry about your feet.
Good morning, how are you?
Never seen anything like this before.
Not indoors, no.
Where are you from? Oh, wow. It's so fun to see the older people get on because they have so many memories, you know, from the past, you know. So we have, you know, the little ones which are so excited, you know, and then we have the older ones I love to see on there. This is only 2 years old. Well, it's only been here 2 years. It is from 1924.
Wow, you just moved in some way?
We restored it.
Oh wow, cool.
Yeah, by hand. I was involved with it. It took us 4 years to restore it.
How you going, honey?
Oh, I'm a big baby, I don't care. I love these things.
You do. It's amazing. It's always fun to go on one, especially one with such a history. Over in Buffalo, the area is called Canal Side.
It's really great stop.
Yeah, we just happened to stumble upon it and spotted the carousel or the merry-go-round, and yeah, we stopped. Some sort of naval ship ahead of us there. I don't know what kind of ship it is. Okay, it's the Erie Canal. This side marks the west end of the canal, opened in 1825. It carried products and people between Lake Erie and the Hudson River. Didn't realise they made battleships this small. I thought they were huge. It's the USS Little Rock, the USS Sullivan's, and the USS Croker that's based here. Buffalo. We're leaving Buffalo and heading back to Niagara Falls. That was a bit of unexpected fun going on the carousel. We're going to stop here for a coffee. So we decided to stop at the Red Coach Inn for a coffee on the New York side of Niagara Falls.
We've gotten some cappuccino and a very fattening looking peanut butter, was it peanut pie or peanut butter pie or something like that. It looks fattening.
It looks peanut buttery.
It looks delicious. And
a bit of cream.
Oh, cream. Let's see. Kevin's gonna eat most of it, but I'll taste it.
Yeah.
You got banana scrambled egg. How's that flavor?
Kevin who?
Yeah, we had a great little cappuccino and dessert at the coffee shop. Now it's time to go to the American side of the falls. This is off the bridge that connects America to Goat Island, just before the falls there. Hey guys, we're still on the American side, and if you look behind me there, I don't know if you can see it properly, that's the edge of the American Falls, right there. Right there is the edge of the American Falls. That's crazy. That's the American Falls there. Up there, Horseshoe Falls. And just over there, that's where our hotel is.
We're going to go up to the observation tower now and see if we can see anything. It's a bit misty, but we'll give it a shot. Hopefully we'll be able to see Canada.
I think that's ice down there. Over there, that's Canadian Falls. So this is the observation deck. But it's on a clearer day.
Yeah, we thought we'd get a bit of this.
And behind us, that's the Rainbow Bridge.
Almost back in Canada.
Now we're at Niagara on the Lakes. A gorgeous little town.
This is spectacular. Wow.
A lot of work, very nicely done.
It's beautiful.
Looks like a boiling cauldron.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's all, folks. We're leaving Niagara Falls.
Bye bye Niagara Falls. So it was a nice bridge.
Hi guys, wow. It's actually our last night here in Canada. And we're just at the Sheraton
Gateway at Terminal 3 at Toronto Pearson's Airport. And we thought we'd show you around in case you need to stay because you've got a 6 o'clock flight. We need to be at the airport at 3 o'clock and it's pretty much here.
across the road.
Let's show you around. The basics. Bathroom.
Pretty tiny. Is there lights?
Well, it's only for, you know, people
Good,
on
so-
their last night of leaving.
It's pretty cool. It's got a shower. No tiles inside the shower. Everywhere else has got wallpaper. Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee. Waters.
Water.
Cupboard.
Safe.
Safe.
And then we come out here.
Super big bed.
Yeah.
Probably the biggest we've had so far.
Big TV. Telephone. You got USB ports on the side of the bed there.
This is interesting. Check this out. PowerPoints and... I thought our little thing was groovy. No, it doesn't go up and down like it. Oh, the table does. That's so cool. So you press the button and the table goes down. And then you press it to bring it up. Your view, you can just see the monorail coming past. So it's very easy to get to. So that's it. That's our holiday. We're done. That's our holiday and we're done.
We are.
And last night was a bit of a letdown. Yeah, it was very cold out there and we weren't feeling that great and we'd had a big day because we wanted to go to America.
Yeah, we did.
It's funny to say that we spent the day in America because we don't say that in Australia. We don't have a neighbouring country. But
to drive into, no.
we ended up watching the fireworks from our room, which I think a lot of people did the same.
Because it was cold
It
out
was
there.
just cold and it was damp too, so...
And I think we had a better view from the fireworks from our room anyway.
And we were
Street
nice
level.
and warm
No.
and kept safe so we don't get sick for our flight. Still got a bit of a sniffle, but...
Not
So
much.
yeah, we hope you've enjoyed our trip in Canada and our white Canadian Christmas. We've had a wonderful time.
We have.
And
Remember to like and subscribe to us.
please hit that like and subscribe button. We still aren't quite there yet. We're still learning and we're still trying to
Get there, and
get
we will.
there. And
But-
our next journey is
We're just having a little cruise, aren't we?
Yes, we're having a cruise for our anniversary.
Yes.
But that's not a big deal.
No, it's not, but it's all right.
Our next biggie, we're going to Italy.
We are.
We're going to Milan, and we will be getting a cruise ship.
We will on.
A big cruise ship that doesn't come to Australia.
Yeah, Symphony of the Seas.
Symphony of the Seas, and we're so excited about that, and that'll be for my birthday in May, so we look forward to showing you all of that. But for now, wait on and you'll see all of our holiday to Canada.